Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Volvo XC90. It's on a 71 plate, as you can see. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside its boot space. First, the tailgate on this car will open electronically. You can either do that from the button on the key or the tailgate itself. As we approach the back of the car, you'll then see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, and that is with 7 seats in place, as you can see. Dropping the rear ones down is very easy. Just lift that, the headrest will fold down, and the seat will drop into place, and you can see how much that will extend your boot space by. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in. And as I mentioned, we'll run through some controls from there. Now that we've done a full circle of it, though, you can see firstly the alloy wheels are in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around the car. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. Over on that left-hand side, we have the speedometer. We have a digital readout for the speedometer as well, and beneath that, the total mass of this car. They're 18,914. Over on the right-hand side, we have the rev counter. We have the fuel gauge. Within the rev counter, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic. We, of course, are in park currently. You can bring up various different bits of information, so you can see there, trip computer, your media. You can pair up your phone, of course, and access your satellite navigation all from there. And we can bring up the sat-nav information that you've got currently displayed in the middle of the screen, all using buttons on the right-hand side just here. Over on the left-hand side, we have our cruise control for the car. Into the center, the main touchscreen. So there's one physical button just here that will bring you back to this home screen. From the home screen, we can swipe right and left, depending on what you want to access up on here. And you can, of course, tap those panels to open those menus directly. So, for example, your satellite navigation. You can listen to your music in a number of ways, including Bluetooth audio. We've got DAB, FM radio. You could pair up your phone for things like Spotify. Pairing your phone is done at the bottom where it says connect compatible device. And along the bottom here, you can see some of the apps that you can have, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If we tap the very bottom of the screen, this is where our climate control options are. So fan speed, direction of the air conditioning off, on again, you can recirculate the air that's in the car. We could hit auto and the car will take care of all of that for us to maintain the passenger and driver temperature that we have asked for, and you can close that bit down. This car also has a heated driver's seat with 3 different heat settings, and exactly the same here on the passenger side as well. If we pop the car into reverse, a full color reversing camera available to you. And then working our way down from that, we have the main volume for your stereo and physical controls just here as well. We've got a 12-volt charging socket. You can close that little section over. There is a bit of additional storage in there. We have wireless phone charging. You can close this whole section over. With it open, you've also got 2 cup holders. An electronic handbrake with an auto hold function. This is where you switch the car off, which is what I've just done, and back on again. We then have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. So park, drive, neutral, and reverse are all on here. Whatever gear you put it in is displayed within the rev counter. And something else I should have mentioned with regards to the parking camera is it's actually a 360 camera. So you can open up this 360 image, so you have a bird's eye view of exactly where the car is parked right now, and you can access any of the individual cameras within that section. The last thing I wanted to talk about is the paperwork we have for the vehicle. Firstly, in the envelope is the spare key, so 2 keys in total. We have the V5 registration document showing it's a 1-owner car from you, and then the service book for the vehicle with its pre-delivery inspection stamp, and then services in 22, 23, and at the very end of 2024. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you.